One day a few years ago, we were having trouble with a toilet in our front bathroom. I look inside to make note of the flush mechanism, drive to Home Depot, and buy a repair kit. My son Danny and I remove the top of the flush valve and we look up to see water bouncing off the ceiling. Does it feel like your numbers are off? Has corporate asked you to close in 5 days, but your team is telling you that's taking 7? Does your cost of sales look too high? Or maybe even worse, does it look too low? Our clients, often they're divisions of large corporations. The problem that they have at times is mapping the transactions to the GL. These transactions can be from sales or purchasing, inventory control, manufacturing. The root cause we find is missing or incorrect mapping. Our typical solution is to review the business processes, look closely at the mapping, and adjust the mapping to reflect what's actually happening in the business. Our approach is to conduct a business process analysis and listen carefully to how the team members in your organization are using the system. We provide some remote training, and we teach each team member how to correctly set up the GL mapping. We then verify that the financial reports are accurate, and then finally we edit the recordings of the training sessions into an online course. We live in an unusual time. Many companies have shifted into a COVID-19 posture. However, as the economy reopens, companies will resume normal operations. Well, at least normal in the sense of new normal. What may happen, however, is that attrition will occur, as will turnover, and there will be a loss of valuable ERP knowledge. We just want to make sure that you're taken care of. So we've seen small discrepancies between the subledger and general ledger become significant. And the risk is to material misstate earnings. If this sounds at all familiar, click the link below to schedule a time to talk to one of our ERP experts. Water is bouncing off the ceiling onto us. Danny and I find the shutoff valve and turn off the water. We complete the repair and then turn the water back on. I look toward my son and say, Danny, if we did this for a living, we'd lose money. I'm Iinuma, President of Strategic Systems Group. Stay safe, be resilient, and thanks for watching.